Hi guys, please do share, subscribe, like the videos. So today I'm going to share with you the another trick for the competitive examination to get the square of 50 to 51 to 59. The simple trick, we would break the number into two parts. First, we would identify the difference of 51 with the 50 and make the square of 1, that is make the square of difference, which is 1. And in this case we would uh, get the square of 5, which is at the tens place, and would add the difference to get the square of 51. So this is how we will get the square of 51, that is 25 plus 1 is equal to 26, and 2601 is the square of 51. Simple. Let's move to the another example. 52, the difference is 2, the square of 2 is 2, 4. Now add the 25 plus 2, which is 27. So to get the square of 52, simple, 2704. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Now let's move to the next example. 53 square, the difference is 3, the square of 3 is 9. 25 plus 3 is equal to 8. 28. 2809 is the answer. Now let's again have a look, try by yourself so that you would have a hands-on this. Hope you must have understood this trick. Let's practice very fast. For the 25, to get the square of 24, that is 4 into 4 is equal to 16, and 25 plus 4 is equal to 29. Accordingly 55 square. We also know the trick of the to get the square of number ending with the 5, that is 5 into 6, that is 30. 25. 56. 25 plus 6, 31. 6 into 6 is equal to 36. 7 7 is 49, and 25 plus 7 is equal to 32. 58 square, 8 8 is 64. 25 plus 8 is equal to 33. Accordingly you can calculate very easily. Like this video, and please do share, like and subscribe, and please do share with others so that I would make some more meaningful content for you. Thank you.